Hi guys, good morning from beautiful sunny Mazatlan, where it actually had a little bit of light rain this morning, but it's wonderfully cool. Oh, I see now that I come out of hiding in my air conditioning that the sun is out. It is 31.6 degrees in the living room, and that's the coolest it's been in here for a long time. So I didn't get down to Tony's this morning because it was raining, not hard, but it was certainly enough to get you wet between here and the market. It's nice now. It's only 26 degrees out there. 9 o'clock. Wow. So what I did, while it was nice and cool here in the kitchen, was I made my stew, put it together. And I've got it here in the slow cooker, and I'm trying it on slow for 8 hours. And it's a pretty simple stew. It's just hamburger that I browned yesterday, kept in the fridge overnight, carrots, potatoes, a little bit of fried onion. I've got some corn, Del Monte, elote, corn, and I've got some champignons, sliced mushroom. I'll put in a little later. They don't need to be in there for 8 hours. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, yeah, I feel like I've already had a fairly productive morning, so that's good. I'm just sitting in there enjoying the AC and watching a little Bondi Beach lifeguard TV. And I hope you're all having a good morning. We'll see how today goes. Well guys, it's afternoon now in the headquarters. It is warm. It's now 32.6 in here. Yeah, that's fairly warm, let's say. I keep it 27 in my room with the air conditioner. I've had a really lazy day today. It was raining this morning, so I didn't get out to the market. And that just sort of set the tone for the day. Sun's out now. Nice afternoon. So when I stayed home, I said, well, today's a good day to get that stew on the go. It smells good in here. The slow cooker's been working away at it. So I'm reluctant to open it up, but I'm going to show you. It looks pretty yummy. Yum. Oh, it smells wonderful. So it's said to put a can of like crushed tomatoes in it, but when I looked at that, I said, I don't really want crushed tomatoes in that. So we'll see how it is without them. It should be good. God, it sure smells good. So it's been in there about almost 6.5 hours. It should be ready in another hour and a half. And I'm looking forward to that. In the meantime, I've been hanging out in my room. I'm going to have a beer. And when I get the stew, I'll show you. Yeah, I got these Coors Light. I got some of them. Still got some of them in the fridge. They're the ones I bought from Amazon, Mexico for 250 pesos for a 24. That was just an incredibly good deal. I see they got them back to their normal price now at 360 pesos for a 24. But anyway, I took advantage while I could and bought 4 24s. May as well drink cheap beer as drink expensive beer. Well guys, it's finally time to check my stew. It's actually a half an hour early, but I think it's going to be okay. Oh, I've been smelling it. It smells so good and I'm freaking hungry. All I had today was Cheerios this morning. And then some pretzels later this afternoon because I knew I was going to have stew. So I didn't worry much about what I ate. Anyway, I checked on it half an hour ago and everything seems to be cooked and soft. So let's see. Look at that potato. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Corn. Everything's great. So, good stuff. So what I do, I have these little soup bowls, whatever. But they get hot to hold, so I put them in the big plastic plate. Ooh. God, that smells good. Okay. I ought to fix any hunger problems I'm having. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna go here. Let me try this. It's probably too hot to try right now. Mmm. Very tasty. And every recipe I read said, oh, be careful of salt content. Doesn't taste particularly salty, and I put soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce in it, so I don't know. It's fine. Anyway, guys, time for my supper. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.